Hey, what up, champions? Welcome back to today's video. In this video, we're pretty much going to be tuning the Nissan Z. If you watched last episode, we pretty much installed 3-inch intakes on the Nissan Z, and we cannot run the car right without a tune. That being said, I want to send a huge, massive shout out to RACEBOX for not only sending me the EcuTech package to tune my Z, but also for actually tuning my Nissan Z. So anybody in the VR30 platform, and I think they even tune B58s and other vehicles, hit up RACEBOX. They're awesome. They're amazing. We're about to go through that phone flash process with them in this video because I'm not in Texas and I don't live there, so we're gonna flash it remotely.
All right, guys, so this is kind of like a how-to. RACEBOX has a perfect video for all your tuning needs. His video is a lot better, but I'm just gonna go ahead and explain it in this video real quick. Increase the brightness. If you haven't done so already, the first thing you're gonna do is go to EcuTech. You're gonna go ahead and register your car and do all that. You'll click my car and it gotta connect, so I gotta freaking put this in accessory mode. So if you're brand new, you're gonna go ahead and connect that Bluetooth to your Q50 or Nissan Z, whatever vehicle you are. You're gonna click on Program ECU. Instead of clicking Program ECU, you're gonna click Send Info to Tuner. If this is your first time, once you click that, you'll put in all your info. Hey, I got a Q50 Red Sport, blah blah blah. Send that information to the tuner. Send them an email with all the mods that you got on, and then RACEBOX is gonna go ahead and then get all that information and send you a base map, a flash one, which is the stage we are in right now. Once you receive that file, then you can go back to your car. Go ahead, click Program ECU, same thing, but instead of clicking a Send a Tuner, now you go to Program ECU. You click on that. Once you click on that, you will see files in there. You can see here that I have my stock map, and I also have the version 1 map. So we're going to go ahead and download map 1 for my Nissan Z. Now, this thing has to be in accessory mode. Make sure your battery is not low. All that's good stuff. Turn off your headlights, everything, AC off, handbrake on, everything. Conserve as much energy as you can, and then you are ready to flash, which is what we're doing right now. So this thing's in accessory mode. I hate that this is very modern because I don't know if this has like some freaking battery saver mode and turns off automatically, but this thing's testing. It's almost done. I was saying that usually when they... Great, everything is working. I expect you can now proceed and program the ECU. Oh, okay, so I guess it was testing the car. Now it's flashing. Oh, what's going on? Engine oil, service due, launch control, malfunction, see owners. What is this thing doing? Erasing memory, writing memory. Something I'm very excited about is the new power the Z will get. From factory, this thing, I think is like 370, 380 wheel or 360. I don't even know, somewhere around that range. But with a simple tune, you can get over 400 wheel. Just the tune, no mods, you can get. So, but now we have a full exhaust, we have full downpipe, we got 3-inch intakes. We could be anywhere from like the 420 range to the 430 wheel range. Program completed successfully. Perfect. Close. There you go. No check engine light. All right, let's see how the car starts. So the car's still running a little rough. The car's running a little rough, but the check engine light is gone. So according to the file, we got to do 3rd gear, 4th gear pulls, and then let this to get to operating temp of like 160. Bro, take a listen to the intakes, bro. This thing sounds gnarly. Red light, can you turn green, bro? Why is there a random ass chicken right there on the fence, bro? Come on. Empty. It's so nice. Let's do it. There's a data log run, 3,500 RPM. Full throttle. So while doing the runs, you can definitely... Oh, there's a CHP. While doing the runs, you can definitely feel when the car is running right and it's picking up speed, and then when it kind of like dies down and... Oh God. Did get a check engine light for running too lean, so I'm assuming the car's running too lean. They'll have to adjust that as well. So right now I'm just gonna take it back home. We did 2 runs, 2 pulls, 3rd gear 3500. We did 2 pulls, 4th gear 3500 to red line. When we did that 4th gear to red line, when it approached to red line, which is 7,000 RPM in the Z, it hesitates a little bit. It does not want to reach the 7. It like stops the car. It's 4th of July, so there's fireworks everywhere. Man, red cars on deck, man. All right, guys, welcome back to day 2. We have officially received version 2 map. So now we're doing that. We're pretty much downloading it to our phone. Version 1 base map ran a little rough. So hopefully this second base map will run a lot smoother. And then we're going to go ahead and do freeway pulls. Alright guys, we got a Ecutech tech on the line right here to help me switch maps. Go continue.
Are you the worst recorder in the history of recording? But why is it so shaky?
Bro,
damn, bro.
Freaking look.
Yeah, let's try to figure out. Hold on, let's try to figure out on your.
I know for a fact.
I'm just saying, you buttons down. Just keep on holding the random buttons down.
Alright guys, the flashing process is done. We're gonna go ahead and data log this cold start. So we're just gonna press start right there, and then cold start it. See how it does that? And then it'll completely act normal when it warms up. Alright, you see? So hopefully they can figure that out. Alright guys, we're about to do a 3rd gear pull on map 2, which is a race map. So kind of excited. An empty spot. Here we go. Oh shit! Damn, this shit picked up. Holy shit, that is sick, bruh. Holy! I take on this, alright, right? What do y'all think? Yippee-yay, welcome back to another day. Let's go ahead and download our version 4 map. We just received it. Today is now Monday, July 11th, aka 7-11. The way yesterday I want to see freaking Peso Pluma, bro. I'm gonna show you guys my photo album real quick. Hopefully I don't have anything crazy down there, but bro, this thing was fire. And 4 Racebox went ahead and asked me to do a 3rd gear and a 4th gear pull with a cold start data log. If you guys remember earlier in this video, in my cold starts, the car will start up pretty high. It should start around like 1,000 RPM, 1,200 RPM, especially on a cold start. But this thing was starting at 2,000 RPM. Okay, now it's different. Now it's like camming. Does it act normal after it warms up? Okay, now it's acting normal. Just made it to our drag strip. Oh, what? We just made it to our drag strip. We're gonna go ahead and do this. Is revision 4, like I said.
That was 0 to 110 kilometers per hour.
Hey champions, welcome back to another day. We're pretty much on revision 7 and I believe this might be the last revision.
I have not washed my Z ever since. You can see all the tire freaking burned right there. These are all the data logs on my wheels. Oh shoot.
Essentially, the Z is running really good. We still have to finalize that cold start. It does it now at a lower RPM, I think like 1.5, so it's a lot less, but it's still doing that. So we still gotta get that fixed.
Besides that, the Nissan Z has been running phenomenally.
But that's going to be it for today's episode. Thank you guys for joining me. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. We have a ton of stuff coming for the Nissan Z. I'm talking new wheels, new color, new wide body kit, new front upper control arms, new rotors, I mean new tires. This thing is going to go under full construction mode, and I think it's going to look absolutely insane. It's gonna be a series I'm preparing for and I'm gonna be releasing, so I'm super excited to officially announce it, but when that time comes, I'll let you guys know. With that being said, I'll catch you guys next episode. Thank you guys very much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace out, amigos.